How to restore messages from Samsung Cloud Backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, you want to tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Then go to the Samsung Cloud section and tap on restore data. Next, select the device that you want to restore the data from. And here I'm going to deselect or remove the old checkbox. Then we go down and simply select messages because we only want to restore messages and not everything else. Now go down to the bottom and tap on the restore button and wait for your messages to restore back onto your device. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.